Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. The process of implementing an RPA project entails 3 steps. Proof of concept pilot and test. 1. Make a POC. The first step in an RPA project is developing a POC, or a way to demonstrate that automating a user's desired processes is feasible. To ensure RPA is the best solution that will result in optimal benefits, users must identify cases to automate and quantify benefit predictions like ROI, costs, savings, and compliance. Moreover, a POC should contain a plan on which RPA software provider best represents the user's identified processes. For example, some providers only specialize in RPA software, while others can provide multiple products on top of RPA, and others are IT or BPO service providers that use RPA platforms. Lastly, a POC should reconsider internal organization, like creating a center of excellence from human resources in the business and IT departments to oversee the project. 2. Pilot. The pilot stage is the design, build, and test phase of an RPA project. This phase is the project's programming, configuration, and installment stage. For example, if a company records data on paper, it must transfer it into an electronic medium. Unless an entity doesn't use an external resource for installation, this phase typically requires collaboration from the COE and the RPA manufacturer or service provider. 3. Test. If the software robot operates as designed, the RPA installment is complete. However, the user needs to continue expanding and updating automation technology to ensure the robot provides optimal results. POC is the most crucial step in any RPA journey, since failing to plan accordingly can result in wasted time and money. Unfortunately, one of the leading reasons most RPA implementations fail is that the user attempts to automate a process that was never intended for robotic process automation. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.